It's going to be a sunny and warm Saturday in Cape Town. Perfect weather when the Boks take on Wales for the last game here in the Mother City. And if you're planning on supporting the boys, remember to pack a jacket because it is going to get colder as soon as the sun sets. But if you're wondering why is it warmer this time of the year, let's get back into the studio and I'll explain. BERGWINDS will quickly warm up the west coast on a Saturday, as well as the coastal areas of our neighbouring country, Namibia. The locals call it Oosvier, and temperatures will quickly soar to 30 degrees the afternoon. On Sunday, the wind turning a little bit more northerly, also warming up the southern coast. You can expect temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. A cold start to your Saturday for the interior with single-digit minimum temperatures. We're also expecting foggy patches over parts of the Southern Cape, as well as the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga. Otherwise, lots of sunshine across the country this weekend. Mainly dry conditions expected on Saturday and Sunday, except for this ridging high pushing in some cloud and drizzle along the eastern escarpment. We do have two cold fronts making their way to South Africa. Unfortunately, the first one will quickly fizzle out and move south, with the second front bringing some light showers next week for the southwestern coast. Here's your wind forecast for this weekend. Here you can see that moderate to fresh easterly wind picking up over the interior of the Northern Cape, turning northerly over the central parts of the Cape provinces. A northeasterly wind expected along the east coast on Sunday, and a northwesterly wind blowing moderate ahead of the first weak cold fronts on Sunday. Cold at first over the interior of South Africa on Saturday morning, dropping to freezing level overnight in Bloemfontein, a -1 in Bethlehem, a low of 4 degrees on Saturday morning in Dar, as well as Johannesburg, a mild along the west coast. And then it's going to be a warm Saturday for the west coast, temperature soaring to 30 degrees in Vredendal as well as Alexander Bay, a comfortable 26 degrees in the Mother City, and also warm along the southern coast with maximum temperatures in the mid-20s. It is mild and sunny over the central parts of South Africa this weekend with temperatures around 20. Still cold overnight with a low of 6 degrees in Dar, 1 degree in Bloemfontein on Sunday morning, and dropping to 5 degrees in Kimberley. Mild over the coastal areas and warming up nicely on a Sunday afternoon along the southern coast. A temperature of 27 in George as well as Gqeberha, and 26 expected in East London, mid-20s in KwaZulu-Natal, and then cooling down in the Mother City ahead of that weak cold front, bringing in some cloud with only a temperature of 19 in Cape Town. Well, that's all from me. Have a lovely weekend. Perfect weather for when the Boks take on Wallace. Ek sê altyd Wallace.